Hey viewers, welcome to the Best Tools Review channel on YouTube. To make this video, we analysed hundreds of products and picked only the best tools for you. Please subscribe to our channel for more guides and check the description box below for product links and updated prices. So, let's get started.
In this video we're going to checking out 5 best 5-inch angle grinder you can buy right now. We made this list based on tools performance, features, price, manufacturer's reputation and most importantly reviews of actual user. So, if you choose from this list, you can be rest assured that you are buying the best 5-inch angle grinder in the market. So, let's go for top 5. Our number 1 choice is Makita 5-inch angle grinder. The Makita W11125 quick angle grinder is a high-performance, precision-built tool, perfect for both professionals and DIY enthusiasts. Made in Germany, this grinder offers a great balance of power, durability, and user-friendly features. It's particularly suited for tasks such as cutting, grinding, and surface preparation, making it a versatile addition to any workshop. The 11-amp motor delivers 11,000 RPM, providing ample power for heavy-duty tasks. Whether you're cutting through metal, grinding down welds, or smoothing surfaces, this grinder handles tough jobs with ease and efficiency. Makita's reputation for high-quality tools, this grinder is made in Germany, which ensures top-tier craftsmanship, longevity, and superior performance. The build quality is robust, and the tool feels solid in hand, perfect for extended use on demanding projects. The lock-on slide switch is a great addition for long grinding sessions. It allows for continuous operation without having to hold down the power button, reducing hand fatigue during extended use. This is a practical feature for professionals who need consistent performance over long periods. The grinder comes with several built-in safety features, including overload protection to prevent the motor from overheating and extending the tool's lifespan. The restart protection prevents the grinder from starting up unexpectedly after a power interruption, which is an important safety precaution. For details, let's watch more. Our second best 5-inch angle grinder is dewalt 5-inch angle grinder. The dewalt DWE43116 angle grinder is a robust, powerful tool, ideal for both professionals and heavy-duty DIY enthusiasts. Its 13-amp motor and user-friendly design make it suitable for a wide range of cutting, grinding, and finishing tasks. With dewalt's renowned durability and performance, this angle grinder offers a strong balance of power, safety, and convenience. The 13-amp motor delivers up to 11,000 RPM, providing the power needed for cutting through metal, grinding surfaces, or tackling masonry. This grinder offers enough muscle to handle tough jobs while maintaining consistent performance. The trigger switch allows for enhanced control and comfort. It's designed with a lock-on feature for extended use, which helps reduce hand fatigue during long grinding sessions. The trigger feels intuitive and responsive, making the tool easier to control during demanding tasks. One standout safety feature is the e-clutch system, which automatically shuts down the grinder in the event of a wheel pinch or stall. This feature prevents kickback and adds an extra layer of safety, especially when working in challenging conditions. The dewalt DWE43116 is equipped with a dust ejection system, which ejects debris and grit away from the internal components, extending the life of the tool. This feature is especially useful when working in dirty or dusty environments, ensuring smoother operation and less wear on the motor. The spindle lock allows for quick and easy wheel changes without needing additional tools. This convenience can significantly speed up workflows, especially when switching between cutting and grinding discs. For details, let's watch more. Third pick in our list is Makita 5-inch angle grinder. The Makita 9565CV is a professional-grade 5-inch angle grinder that stands out for its blend of power, precision, and durability. Featuring the unique super joint system for enhanced safety and control, this grinder is designed for demanding applications in metalwork, masonry, and more. The 13-amp motor delivers plenty of power for heavy-duty grinding and cutting tasks. With a variable speed control dial, the grinder offers a range of 2,800 to 10,500 RPM, allowing for more control over different materials. This makes it versatile for everything from polishing to cutting tougher materials like metal and stone. The super joint system is a major highlight of this model. It prevents motor and gear damage by allowing the drive shaft to slip if the wheel gets bound or overloaded. This not only enhances the grinder's durability but also minimizes kickback for improved user safety and comfort. This feature ensures the grinder maintains constant speed even under heavy loads, providing a consistent and smooth grinding experience. Whether you're grinding down welds or cutting through tough materials, this keeps performance stable and reliable. The soft start function reduces torque when starting the grinder, which helps protect the motor and makes handling the tool more manageable, especially for precision tasks. For details, let's watch more. Number 4 on our side is Blyat 5-inch electric angle grinder. The Blyat 5-inch electric angle grinder is a versatile power tool designed for both cutting and grinding tasks on metal, stone, and wood. With its 1100-watt motor and adjustable speed functionality, this grinder offers strong performance for various DIY and professional applications. The 1100-watt motor delivers solid power for a variety of tasks, including cutting and grinding. It offers consistent performance when working with tough materials like metal and stone. The power makes it suitable for medium-duty tasks, handling most home improvement or workshop needs with ease. The adjustable speed control, allowing the grinder to reach speeds of up to 12,000 RPM. This makes it highly versatile, enabling you to customize the speed for different materials, whether you need a slower speed for delicate sanding or high speed for aggressive metal grinding. The grinder has an ergonomic handle that makes it comfortable to hold for longer periods. The design is relatively compact and lightweight for a tool with this power level, which helps reduce fatigue during extended use. It also features a 2-position auxiliary handle that can be mounted on either side, providing better control and flexibility. The tool includes safety features such as a lock-on button for continuous operation without needing to hold the trigger, and a protective wheel guard that shields the user from sparks and debris while grinding or cutting. Last in our best 5-inch angle grinder list is Bosch GWS13 angle grinder. The Bosch GWS1350 VS is a professional-grade 5-inch angle grinder that stands out for its powerful performance, durability, and user-friendly features. With a 13-amp motor and variable speed control, this grinder is designed for a wide range of applications, including cutting, grinding, and finishing tasks on various materials like metal, masonry, and wood. The Bosch GWS1350 VS features a 13-amp motor capable of delivering up to 11,500 RPM, providing the power needed for demanding jobs. Whether you are cutting through metal, grinding welds, or working with tough masonry, this grinder maintains consistent performance without bogging down. With adjustable speeds ranging from 2,800 to 11,500 RPM, you can tailor the speed to match the material and task at hand. This is especially useful for tasks that require precision, like polishing or grinding delicate surfaces, as well as for heavy-duty metal cutting. The grinder features direct motor cooling to prevent overheating, and its epoxy-coated field windings provide additional protection from dust and debris, enhancing the tool's longevity.